Hi, my name is Mr. Shark, and I'm after the world's deadliest villain. He's very short, but he's very evil. Mr. Shorty makes short trips. There he is in the jungle side of state. Do you like my turban? It's not bald. Do you like my turban? It's not bald. It's real though. What is this thing doing here? I know why. This rigorous mountain is hard to climb. That's probably why. Keep climbing. Yes, I can. Willpower. I got you, Mr. Shorty. No. My ass. No! Why? Why did you have to die? Why do I have to climb this thing either? Let's do it. No!
Will Mr. Shark ever catch Mr. Shorty McShort Shorts?
Find
Tune
out
in
next
next week on Mr. Shark, the world's greatest adventure.